Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to change PayPal business account to personal account. So let's get started. So the first step you'll have to do is to go into the PayPal website on your laptop or PC and then log into your account. Once you're logged in, scroll down to the bottom until you see an option that says contact, or in your case you'll see contact us. Now just click on it. Now the contact us page will open up. So basically this is known as an account downgrade from a business to a personal account. Now scroll down and you'll find multiple options to contact. Now if you're currently in the business hours, you'll see an option that says call us, and you can call the customer support to help you in downgrading your account. Now if you're currently not in the business hours, you can click on message us, and from there you can text with the PayPal team and they will help you in downgrading your account from a business to a personal account. And that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.